Hi, it's Jessica Walden with the Greater Macon Chamber of Commerce. We want you to join our business community, and hopefully you have received that invitation now. You received a letter from Mayor Lester Miller inviting you to begin a journey on the advanced manufacturing pathway with the Bibb County school system. You demonstrated an aptitude with the advanced manufacturing pathway, which means that you lean towards technology, robotics, figuring things out, how it works and what it can be. And it really means that you may have an incredible career towards the future. But here at the Chamber, the business community of Macon, Georgia, we want you to think about choosing Macon. Choosing a career where you can really make a difference here and be a part of this community. And not only that, but when you choose that advanced manufacturing pathway, you're launching an opportunity to earn 36 hours worth of college credits and start a career early that can get you started at around $60,000 a year. So that means more growth in this community, more opportunity, more ways in which you can make a difference for yourself, for your family, for your community. So I hope that you have that letter and you'll do some thinking about it, that you will consider it, that you will talk to your parents, to your teachers, to your guidance counselors, to those at Hutchings College and Career Academy who can help you make that decision. But more than anything, congratulations. Congratulations on being identified for being one of those who's shown this aptitude. Congratulations for getting a letter from our mayor that says that you've got something special to think about. And I hope to see you soon in the future being a part of this community. Thank you for thinking about it. Thank you for choosing Macon. And I hope you will consider joining this pathway.